So hello everybody, I'm Daniel Levy. I'm working in Amadeus for a few years, and I will present you today the evolution of the network infrastructure, which has supported the various evolution that happened in Amadeus. So who I am working closely with Sylvain Coulombel, who is in the chat. So I have started my career in 2000. I did a school like your one. I think it's quite similar. So INSA Lyon. In computer science. I have quite a common career in Amadeus. So I have started as developer mostly in the Unix environment in various areas such as security, but also the reservation area, for which I could get some functional knowledge. Always very important when you go into an enterprise to get functional knowledge, even if you like middleware and technical stuff. Then I did what we call commonly DevOps. So I went to Munich, sorry, in Germany. At that time, it was very, very new that a developer joins the operation, and without any surprise, I have worked on automation, operability, mainly in the Linux environment. But everything what I like in computer science is definitely the communication. I joined the development middleware team working in the communication bus or enterprise service bus, which is a huge gateway that Amadeus is having. And also, I have, and then I had acquired a significant amount of knowledge, which could allow me to become what we call senior expert. So my role today is to, Julia, can I, okay, okay, c'est bon. So I am now senior expert. So I am doing some consultancy activity in the various areas such as the network, but also cloud or multi-data center, customer connectivity.
Vous me dites si vous avez besoin, Daniel, de quelque chose.
C'est parfait, merci. And so my role is to provide support. I belong also to the incidence rapid response team, things like this. And I also handling some various conferences. So most of the time it is customer facing, and this is my first session for a school. So in nearly 20 years, I could have several roles. That's why Amadeus is so cool. Huh? You can change the career path. You can visit many countries. You can go into many teams. It was quite exciting until now, at least. So the objective clearly is to understand how the network, the various evolution of the network have supported the various evolution step of Amadeus. Huh? So we will understand how Amadeus is connected to this customer, what has changed since Amadeus has been created. We talk about the first step of Amadeus for sure, which was based on the mainframe. Just a few words on this. And we will see how Amadeus could get a distributed infrastructure. You will see that it's not something trivial. It has huge implication of the network. And this is what it makes the network as you know it as of today. And then we will see how Amadeus is reaching the sky. So just that how we are installing an infrastructure in the cloud. This is the objective of the meeting.